وعلى آل محمد رسولنا النبي الأمي المبعوث رحمة للعالمين خاتم الأنبياء والمرسلين نور هذه الأمة وضياؤها وشفيعنا يوم الحساب.
سڵاو هاوڕێیانی خۆشەویست لە ڤیدیۆیەکی دەگەڕێنەوە لاتان ئەنجارەش لە یاریەکی تازە هیوادارم ڤیدیۆکەتان بەدڵ بێت و لایک و سەبسکرایب لەبیر مەگەن و پشتگیریەک یاریەکەش ناوی ئەتۆمیک هێرت پێم وابێ وایە با دەست بە یاریەکە بکەین و لایک و سەبسکرایب لەبیر مەگەن و پشتگیریەک پێشنیارەکانتان بنووسن بۆ یاریە تازەکان بۆ فیفا کورە بۆ هەچی شتە با بزانین بەدڵتانە با ئەمەیان بێزانینەوە چی خۆشم یاریەکەم نەکردووە ئێستا مە یەکەم دەقە یاریەکە تاقیەکەی
I really love this place. Good vibes.
The cello may come from the ground up to be the ideal
Mechanic glove. I've been here before.
Will we make it for the speech?
Oh, we've got plenty of time. We can even go on rides afterwards.
Chelomey City floats on the Icarus platform, a feat of modern science and technology.
دیقەیەکی هەتاوڵەی جوانی هەیە و شوێنەکەشی خۆشە و
Scientists from all the other Soviet republics live here, including the German SSR. You need to have an exceptionally brilliant and dedicated mind to work here.
Would you care for some
ها
more
گورگو
soda?
کەریۆشکەکە جیلی ئاڵتونی لە تەلەڤیزیۆنەکەیە هایلۆ کەس جوانە
Sure, thanks.
ئەوە چییە؟ خواردنەوەی بۆیانێ هەر بە درۆنی پێشکەوتوو
Looks like another bot got stuck in a tree. That always cracks me up.
They're still working on the robot's navigation system.
Yeah, I noticed. Wow, what a beautiful day.
Beautiful day ڕۆژێکی زۆر جوانە ئەمان بێدواڵە
What's
But
happened
as
to your
a chili,
Boras
yeah.
box, Andre? They're going haywire. What the hell did you do to them?
They've been like that all day. Number 3 is booked. I need these houses painted, but look at what they're doing instead.
ئەوە خاوەڕات
Give me your control code. I'll set them straight. Hold piggy, sweetie.
چه خەریکاوێ بە شەڕیانەوە ڕۆبۆتانە
0451.
Okay then. Get to work, you bums. Move it! Move it!
Whoa, you did it! Oh, thanks a million. Enjoy the celebration.
دنیایەکی پێشکەوتوو تەکنەلۆژیای پێشکەوتوو ئەوە چییە؟
Good morning, my boy. How are you? Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Dr. Sek.
How do you like it?
Better than the old one. It's growing on me.
I'd expect nothing less.
Skype
I
یەکەوە
designed the
شتانە
device myself. Be careful with it now. It's more important than you might think.
Yes, Dr. Sechenov. I'll keep it safe.
Report to the lab.
سێوانێت
to complete your
سەرەوە
integration with the
شتە
lab.
گەورە
I've got a full schedule today, so Mikhail Stockhausen will get you up to speed. I'll be in touch later.
Roger that.
بخاوە 2055 جاوای لێ بەڵام لە کوردستانە لە وڵاتە
Are your orders clear?
Crystal, get off my case already.
I'm pleased to hear you don't have any questions, for once.
You dickhead.
دەی بێ بە خۆم ئایسە خۆم لێ ئەڵڵا ئاجەتی زیقەی جوان
Good day, comrade. Come closer. No thanks. I'm all set.
ئەو چی بوو؟ ئەوڕێم بەلایەن کچە؟ نا ئەمە
I had my pollen retrieved yesterday. There's rookie. Can we get the atom in the picture too?
Have you been to the lab?
Amazing dexterity.
لەکوێ بڕۆ؟ هەرا لێرەوەیە تاو گێم سەوی
Learn about the history of Facility 3826.
Everyone here seems so happy and content.
ئەخوا من بینم نییە لەگەڵ ئینگلیزیە لی تێ ناگەم
Been to China, Comrade Major?
ناشتیان بەشتان تەرجومەکەم
Everywhere except for
دەگوێ
China, I
مەدەنێ
guess.
Facility
Abashi
3826
Khantan.
isn't all that far from our Chinese allies.
I like their spirit. And I hear it's nice there.
Indeed it is.
ڕاستی شوێنێکی جوان و خۆش هەموو زۆربەی هەموون بە ڕۆبۆت شتەکان ئەوە چییە؟ سریدیە؟ ئەو شتەی زۆر سەریعەسیە باوتی بچێ بۆ پێشتەکە
Major Nechayev reporting for duty on Comrade Sechenov's direct order.
Welcome,
That's not what
Comrade
you're going to
Major.
be
Today is a joyful occasion, the birthday of Collective.
Yeah, many happy returns. Cut to the chase, would you? I've got places to be.
Naturally. This is the future of Soviet education, a personal project of Dr. Sechenov's poly-education. Gone are the days when Soviet citizens had to spend years studying at educational institutions. Level natural sciences curriculum for...
Yeah, been there, done that. Skip the foreplay, bot.
Excuse me, of course. Your particular...
جایگی نەمە چییە؟
You have just upgraded your glove with scanner function to activate the scanner contract. All the things.
Holy shit, bot. Who designed this thing? The Spanish Inquisition?
چیوە هەموو قسەیکە؟ LB و RB
Demon, be
gone.
For your information, that's a highly user-friendly gesture. It was developed by our leading expert in the field of advanced interpretive avant-garde.
Whatever that guy's been smoking, sign me up.
Didn't you say you were in a hurry just a moment ago?
Shut your trap and keep scanning, would you? I'm getting acquainted with the new hardware.
You are now capable of seeing hidden objects. This ability could prove very useful in the future. For now,
Comrades,
the
address by the Director General of Facility 3826, Dr. Sechenov, is about to begin.
C'est robot.
Greetings, comrades. I am Dmitry Sechenov, and this is Facility 3826. A warm welcome to your future. Today, we stand on the brink of the greatest event in the history of mankind. We find ourselves just one small step away from an amazing evolutionary victory that will profoundly
report to the lobby of that high-rise, Comrade Major. They're waiting for you.
No, I'm not exaggerating. Just look at how our beloved Soviet Union has been transformed in the last few decades.
So glad to see you're taking it easy, Comrade Major. The car is waiting. You must go to Dr. Sechenov's office for the access code. It's been left with one of his bodyguards.
Ja, natürlich.
Of the Collective 2.0 network. At last, a network of human...
I love this place. No matter how many times I come here, it always amazes me. It's just so nice.
Our elevator has arrived.
Forget the difficult, tedious drudgery of unskilled labor and dedicate ourselves to science. On behalf of all at Facility 3826, I present to you the device of the future, the neural connector, thought. It will allow human beings to be at the center of Collective 2.0, a network for all mankind together. Uniting the intellects of all individuals into a powerful mind free of all boundaries. Thanks to the thought neural connector, you will control robots with your mind. Mastering academic subjects with breathtaking speed. Accessing human knowledge and of course combining it with your own individual discoveries. You will no longer need control panels, cumbersome will replace every single one of them. And so much more. Your potential will be unlimited. Want to learn a foreign language in a minute?
Yes, team.
Quantum physics in a day.
Talk about style. Science is power, I tell you. The boss has a way of looking down on insurmountable obstacles. I really respect that.
There are no obstacles science cannot surmount.
Other than an electronic glove that never shuts up.
Here is your vehicle activation code, Comrade Major.
Got it.
The vehicle is waiting downstairs. You should hurry. You don't have much time.
We can take the same elevator we took to get up here.
Thanks, Einstein. What would I ever do without you?
وش نعلم برو وش يمكن بقيرة ديسا
Sechenov here. Sorry I can't meet with you in person, my boy. The reporters have been hounding me all day. So, what do you think of Chalamet?
You've built yourself a city of the future, boss. There's nothing else like it in the whole USSR.
I built it for all mankind, not for myself. Humanity is on the verge of great discoveries. One day we'll reach the stars. These castles in the sky will be the beginning of our journey to the farthest reaches of the universe. I'm merely helping humanity realize its own greatness.
You're a dreamer, Dr. Sechenov.
Fantasy and science go hand in hand. Most modern inventions were described long ago in science fiction. Flying machines, space travel, even robots.
Are you telling me you got your ideas from sci-fi novels?
I got them from the dreams of mankind, P3. Man was born to dream, to do great things. But unfortunately, there are those who wish to crush those dreams. And that's where men like you come in, Sergei. Men sworn to defend mankind and its destiny.
Need me to get rid of somebody, boss?
You're very relaxed about it, my boy. I hope it won't come to that. But let's take it one step at a time. First, you'll need a substantial glove upgrade. Report to the lab. A periscope robot will meet you there and take you to the Vavilov complex. Understood?
Yes, sir. I'm getting in the car right now.
I'm getting a car. Oh, it's a Sergei. I'm being a mistake.
But it's still an internal combustion engine, right? Sure. Solid machines can't stop progress, though. They're turning out new models daily now. This one.
شلون قديو هلا دورو slide.
Please secure your seatbelt. We wish you a very pleasant journey.
Isn't there supposed to be a radio in here?
The entire Soviet Union is ecstatic about the unveiling of Collective 2.0.
Yeah, I just came from one. I get it.
The American government is expressing deepening concern about the skyrocketing unemployment figures following the deliveries of robotic
thought devices. There won't be a shortage, said People's Deputy Alexander Shalchinov in response to widespread concern in the city of Uzyorsk.
How about some music? That's more like it.
باڵندە ماوە لە ژیانە مامەزانی هەموو دنیا بووە بە تەکنەلۆژی سێی با بە سێ شتی فڕی و تەکنەلۆژیا چەند پێشکەوتوکات.
I see you finally begun your assignment, and it's been less than an hour. Sehr gut.
Jawohl, mein Führer.
What did you just say?
I said the signal's on the fritz, but thanks anyway, Herr Stockhausen. Dr. Sechenov already filled me in.
Don't you think that may have been a bit too much?
Nope.
For some reason, your response didn't surprise me at all.
Guess I don't have any respect for brown-nosers.
Tell me, is there anyone you do have respect for?
Sure, but respect is earned. Dr. Sechenov has mine because he saved my life on the operating table. Everybody else needs to earn it. Anyway, why the hell are we riding a jalopy strapped to a damn robot? Were all the jets taken or something? Shit.
Riding turbines is an important tradition. It's a way to remember the days when Facility 3826 was brand new, as we used to ride these vehicles to our very first scientific complex.
Fair enough, but why is it a tradition to have bumblebees? Why do we call them bumblebees when they look more like flying pigs?
Flying pigs? Have you seen flying pigs before? How about flying cows?
Yeah, on the Condor. One time some genius like you forgot to put up a fence, but those cows only flew in one direction. Straight down.
I have a suggestion, Comrade Major. Why don't you worry about your mission, and I'll do the thinking for both of us?
Shut the hell up, Glove. I'm trying to listen.
To what? Is there anything here you haven't seen yet?
I've never been here before. Zip it. I don't know, damn it. Now quit bugging me.
My apologies.
چی بوو؟ شوێنەکەی تەمام مەجاوازە نزیک بووینەوە ئەوێ هەنێشت دەرکەوە.
This is Facility 3826's audio guide. We will soon be arriving at our destination. Estimated time of arrival is 11:47 a.m. Outside temperature, 26 degrees Celsius. There is a slight breeze. You can now observe the Soyuz Granite Bridge spanning Lake Lazur and two of the facility's high-profile test sites, the VDNH and Sakhalin. These are connected by magnetic levitation or maglev rail. This technology was pioneered by the Chelomey Design Department and a personal project of Dr. Lebedyansky. You can now observe the operations of an automated plant, performing robot assembly and distributing machine parts required by the facility's various complexes. Controlled remotely by a collective 1.0 node, a plant such as this is capable of autonomously managing and fulfilling up to 100 orders per hour. Directly below is Dr. Sechenov's computational center, the main radio processing unit and control nexus for this network node. We are currently flying over sunflower solar farms, capable of supplying electricity to the entire VDNH, as well as the Friendship of People's Park, nearby settlements, and the maglev train lines. Maglev train stations connect all of Facility 3826, allowing personnel to travel from one complex to another with comfort and ease. We are now flying past the majestic Call of the Motherland Monument, erected in 1949 to mark the Soviet Union's victory in World War II, and are now entering the grounds of the Vavilov Complex, the site where Facility 3826's numerous agricultural miracles took root. You are now observing the Soviet Sickle Monument, designed by sculptors Elena Muhina and Alexander Kibalnikov, and autonomously erected in 1951 by the Collective 1.0 Neural Network with the help of robot builders. Note that this effectively makes it the world's first collaborative artistic effort between man and machine. Our brief guided tour is coming to an end. Facility 3826 is always ready to welcome new specialists from anywhere in the Soviet Union. We are confident that you will be thrilled to live and work in this world of revolutionary breakthroughs and fantastic scientific achievements for the glory of the Communist Party and the Soviet people.
Major, the drone is initiating combat maneuvers.
Initiating what? For real? Watch out! What am I supposed to do about it? What the?
Please do not unfasten your seatbelt until the vehicle has come to a complete stop.
Reached
your destination.
You are now at Laboratory 8 of the Vavilov Complex's above-ground facilities. Have a nice day.
Take my hand, Comrade Major. I will escort you to the Vavilov complex.
What in the sweaty hell is going on here?
Unfortunately, I have no information on the subject. All the robots have been carrying out their normal operations until they suddenly became hostile.
What the hell are you doing, you lousy bot? Get your rusty metal asses out of here!
That was really very rude of them.
The elevator is now operational.
Fuck off, bitch!
Our ascent is once again continuing normally. A Drofa towing robot will be here shortly to perform magnetic coupling and take us by air to...
Son of a bitch, not again!
Major, I'm falling.
What the shit?
وعميلة بالروق جناح.
Oh fuck! Oh fuck!
Atomic Heart.
Attention, this is an emergency communication. There has been a critical breach in Facility 3826 system. Numerous facility robots have been acting aggressively towards facility personnel.
حصلوا. برا چی لێ هاتووە شوێنەکە ڕۆبۆت تازەکان یان بڵێم هەموو ڕۆبۆتەکان تێک چوون کۆنتڕۆلیانە دەدا و بوون بەمای زیان بە شوێنەوە ئەمەدا زەنگی ئاگادارکەرەوەش لێ درراوە.
Oh shit, my head's killing me.
Upon leaving your workplace, proceed close to your official residence. Staff housed at the Lynaya Hotel are collecting and refrain from venturing outside.
باشە هێزی هەیە ئەو تەورەم بەداڵ.
Wizard, this is P3. Come in.
Sergey, are you all right, my boy?
I'm okay, boss. But nothing here is the way it's supposed to be. Whatever's going on clearly started a while ago.
Viktor Petrov is the reason. He's a traitor who hacked into Collective's central hub and caused the civilian robots to attack facility employees. Petrov has the access codes for the hub. Your mission is to find him and bring him to me alive.
Copy that, sir.
Hello,
the target is Viktor Petrov. My mission is to find him and bring him to you.
Exactly. Sectionov out.
مریشکی بینیە شارکە لێیە بیکوژە ئەتای سووتێنە بە بی ئەوە خۆی جوڵێنێ لەبەر تیان خۆ لای لەبەر فیشە کوشت چێتە ناوەشتان نەگەردە و چیتە لایە
Holy shit!
Hey, Glove. Yes, Major.
Any details on the target?
Viktor Petrov is the lead engineer behind Collective 2.0. He was arrested for treason and sentenced to community service at the Vavilov complex.
Got it. I can deal with that. Where should I start looking?
Petrov is currently somewhere in the underground levels of the Vavilov complex. We'll have to find a way inside.
Okay, let's do it.
Somebody help me!
Hey, you! I'm coming. You alive in there?
I'll help me.
Shit! Get away from me!
چه دژمنه ها؟ هلو خواریا عبر زور بقوته بابا ازاری به نگه اصلا چی بیاد اشتری دوالی یا چی
What are you gawking at? Almost choked to death there. Give me a hand.
Oh, I didn't see that coming.
You should be more careful. This place is a damn madhouse.
Yeah, I noticed. Thanks for the help,
No
ma'am.
sweat, Sonny. What are you doing here, anyway?
Oh, just passing through. Who are you?
Me? Zena. Granny Zena. That's all you need to know.
Granny Zena,
Fine, I get it. So what's going on here? Lots of casualties.
I don't know if you noticed, but the robots are attacking people. Anyone who couldn't find a place to hide is dead meat.
I could really use a weapon. You got anything?
Of course, but I'm not giving you shit. Beneath us is a complex. If you need a weapon, go down there.
The Vavilov complex? That's where I'm headed.
Ah, well, today's your lucky day. I'm heading that way too. It's basically safe.
Shit! It's a pchela!
Son of a bitch. We've got 30 seconds. Move your ass!
30 seconds until what?
30 seconds until we're fucked, sonny boy. Royally fucked. No good. Get over here, beefcake. Now. Take this key and turn it clockwise. I said clockwise, idiot. Yeah, like that. I'll hold him off for now.
You got a hell of an arsenal there, lady. What are you planning?
Çekiyor videodan.
Riding my ass for 2 days now. Take that. Eat shit and die. Shit.
Çekek man biri.
Come to Granny.
Where'd you get that thing?
No
Give it to
way.
me.
You hang on to that key. I got this.
Hala dez le kliyle vermeye bile burayı aşağıya yine verin.
Holy shit!
Böyle. مصعد يجبو پیرێژنەکە خۆمان خۆش چی بوو نە دوور بوو وقتی جگیرە خواردنە
What a goddamn clusterfuck.
We need to find a way to open this armored door.
Gee, you think? Enough with the lame advice, will ya? Why don't you tell me more about Petrov? How'd they track him down anyway?
Petrov's betrayal was discovered by Mikhail Stockhausen. He was then arrested by the Argentum unit.
So how'd he end up here?
After the trial, Petrov was sentenced to community service and sent back here as a prisoner.
What, they couldn't find anyone else in the whole Soviet Union to do his job?
Collective's launch was only a few months away.
Replacing
the lead engineer would have been foolish. Petrov had to finish what he'd started, and that's what they made him do.
What's so special about the guy?
Victor Petrov was previously the lead engineer of a secret department within the Academy of Consequences, dedicated to programming robots for Collective 2.0.
Right.
What's here? Oh, God. What does he do?
Just turn the handle and open the door.
بس أبغى زيادة بروشين وزين شيت يا
What the shit? Hang on, buddy. Hang on. Hang on.
What's here? چەکۆی من وەرگرت.
Attention. Two applications can now be submitted for medium to high social credit employees only.
یک فیشکی دیگه.
Saving data.
أو save إيه. أما شد هالقرتنا وفيشكي شي ديابو.
And the machines rose from ashes.
May I give you some advice?
I'm kind of busy right now.
Try to avoid the robots.
At this rate, I won't last long. That first bot really kicked my ass.
Destroyed robots contain a neuropolymer resuscitation drug called Neuromed. Extract the Neuromed capsule and use it to heal yourself. It wouldn't hurt to collect other resources you find along the way, Major. May I remind you that your gear includes a special Yarov Abalakov backpack for storing items and equipment? It utilizes a quantum singularity to shrink items placed within it, then restores them to their original size upon extraction.
Yeah, weird science, huh? It's like we're living in sci-fi times or something.
ودنا خوشویست چیه؟ اشتاقی تریش من دوزه. اشتیت یعنی من؟ اما چیه؟
Why'd you turn that thing on, huh?
منیشم چی باش داخلی دی نگم. دیگه نشون نکردی تو؟ Ay, bro. زۆر بە قووەتن برەیەکەم پێ نەماوە چۆنی گۆڕی زۆر بە قووەتە ئەم زانی یەک جاروان چۆن خوێن بکەمەوە
As a Soviet sign.
ئەو خوێن وادام بە دوگمەی خوارێ
Damn it, why is everything locked here?
Emergency mode was activated as soon as the robots began attacking humans. Facility 3826 is on lockdown. That includes the inner sector.
So how am I supposed to open this door?
It's locked with an electromagnetic lock.
So I need to fry it with an electromagnetic pulse. How the hell am I? Something's wrong.
Oh
shit!
ئەگەڵی بوو چییە؟ چی بوو دەرکەوت و لێ دەمیام؟ چی ڕۆیە؟
Come on, get up, soldier. Great, just a little more. You okay?
I'm fine.
باش برادێکمان پێ بوو.
4.
Great, now get up. I need your help.
هەڵێ وەکەنێ چوە. ئەوەرێ بزانێکە تاوە.
Who are they?
They brought you here. Put pressure on this wound. They tried to save you.
And who are you?
Doctor.
You got a name?
No time for small talk.
Victoria.
Forceps. Forceps, forceps, forceps!
I'm on it.
Get me them!
What's this doing here?
What took you so long?
You got a neuropolymer capsule.
We don't need one.
So what's your name, Doc?
Larissa, and you ask a lot of questions.
You know what? You're on your own. You got
Larissa.
Where are you going? It's useless. We don't have the equipment.
I've got the equipment. Great. Now we're getting
How
somewhere.
did you do that?
You ask a lot of questions.
حالا چۆن ئەوەت کردوەدەم بەدەم هەیە
Larissa!
ئەی هەوە بەرەچ کەسێکە دوولەتیەکە
Holy shit! Avoid the beam!
ران الرولواني هذا سخن زوري لنا ظن الرحلة كاميرا زور سريع ماذا نشوف قال له كاتي اللي يعني لو كاتك التصوير كان بيوهي الشكل
The ventilation system contains a large number of branching ducts.
Fine. I can deal with it later. What's that freaky thing on the door?
A lock.
Are you serious? Then open it already. Come on, we're in a...
Day.
The lunch break for staff members with low social credit is now beginning. Regular personnel are to remain at their work.
زور سريع لدقيقة أخي يقولين أبا أخي لنا. من جدكم؟ هاي بخير بيته. بارح نار. پارچە پارچەیەکاتی چەند دەقەمەگەر و با تەواویگەین ئەبینیە هاوڕێیانی خۆشەویست زاتینە کۆتایی ڤیدۆگە هیوادارم ڤیدۆگەتان بەدڵ بێت و لایک و سەبسکرایب بکەن پشتگیریمان بکەن بۆی بەردەوام بین و پارتەکانی دری زیادەدا بنی ئینشەڵڵا هەموو ڕۆژێ پارتی دانین تا تەواویەکەین یاریەکانی یاریە تازەکانیشکەیەن هەروە تاقییانەکەینەوە لەگەڵ هەندێک یاری درێژ هەر لە خۆشییا بن خواحافیز